Here is what the example project should look like when you're finished. First, pull out an Avanti sensor and press it against the magnet to get it into scanning mode. Then, ensure that your Trigno link compatible sensor is also in scanning mode. Then, in the application, click the scan button. Now, click the select button to select both sensors. Then, click the start button. You'll see the data start to trickle in, and that the EMG data will come at a different rate than the heart rate. As you can see, the heart rate is fluctuating slightly, whereas the EMG data fluctuates a lot while I'm shaking it up and down. And this is the data that you will be getting, and while there's not much going on here except for the data being shown, there's a lot of potential for you to take this data and do something with it in the application.